just let me freak you. Keep this between me and you. Let me freak your mind.
What's good to all my cousins? Period. I'm back. I was here yesterday and now returned. Period. If you ain't noticed, I've been doing natural hairstyles. That's what I'm going to be doing all week just for y'all. I'm here to return to doing that stuff. Y'all need to be tuning in. Like my last video, y'all need to go watch that video. Y'all need to support, because when I see that y'all not supporting me, it make me depressed. If y'all really my cousins, y'all need to support, or else I'm just gonna stop doing this. Honestly, to all my cousins that be supporting my videos and watch all my natural hair videos, I deserve this. But yeah, anyways, so today we're doing another hair video, a new one, something new, something extra. You already know me, I like doing extra hairstyles. I like doing the most. And to be honest, this hairstyle that we're doing today, I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to do it. But y'all know me, I like, what is it called? Experimenting. I like experimenting with my hair and trying new things. So y'all could be the same way. So this hairstyle we doing today is like a braid with some braids and a bun and some slick. So that's what we about to get into. I don't know how this gonna come out, but bear with me. If y'all see this video is posted, then that means it went okay. What you gonna need for this video: brush, scrunchies, some fake hair, and if you extra like me, then some hair accessories. I'm gonna be using the little pins or whatever. You already know. Alright, let's get into this. Let's get into it. I think I'm gonna brush my hair into a ponytail first. Actually, no, scratch that. First step I'm gonna do is part my sides, because I'm gonna have two braids hanging down. So I'm about to part them out. Look at my curls though. Let's check the curls. Curl check. They getting better or whatever. Period. I'm gonna do like, who is this texting me? If it ain't one of my men, I don't want to hear it. I'm parting like this because it's gonna be on the side, so I'm trying to part to the side, you know. Look like I got girl, I can't see. I can't show y'all and look in the mirror at the same time. I'm trying to do it nicely. Ew, that look nasty. Imagine somebody walking around with their sideburns this big. Not cute, none. Now I'm about to do the other side, the same thing. Alright, I got my two little sides. I don't know why this one is more than this one. Like, how'd I even... Girl, I need to put my hair in a ponytail to get it out the way. Whatever, that's just gonna have to work, because I don't got the patience or the time. I look like Abraham Lincoln. Now that these is out the way, so I'm gonna just twist them up and tuck them behind these ears. These good old ears. One of my earring backs got stuck inside of my ear. Literally stuck inside. And it was like a big bloody bump. After my sister took it out, it was a big bloody bump on my ear. And I haven't worn earrings since. Do y'all think I should stop being scary and start wearing them again? Let me know. But alright, I'll tuck them behind my ears, as you can see. Thank you. And now, just slick my hair up into a high ponytail. So make sure you slick your hair into a high ponytail. Make sure you leave some edges out, because you're going to be doing extra edges today. Alright, so now I'm about to brush this in, slick it in real good, because we want it to be real slick and real cute. Look at my hairline. Oh my gosh, I got a big forehead. Edges, edges, edges. We love edges. Do y'all edges look like this when y'all pull them out? Make sure you push it. To get it real high, you gotta push. I'm trying to push as hard as I can. Pull, 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 pull. Really gotta fight with these ponytails. And I'm just put a little bit of edge control over and slick it overwards. It's overwards. It's not even a word. But y'all know what I mean. I'm about to put some more edge control over flyaways. Slick it with my toothbrush. I love how this works. At first I didn't like these. Alright, now that I got my ponytail all slicked, time to add the fake braid. Using this, I'm cutting the rubber band off that's at the top. I just braided this up. Before we do that, I'm about to braid these up real cute. You could slick it. Ooh, inches. Now I'm about to do the extra edges, cause I think that'll be cute with the braid. Alright, so I got some mousse sitting right there for now. I'm getting excited. Let me calm down. Let me calm down because I'm getting happy. Period. Y'all, I am so, like, I'm shook. I'm startled. I'm fragile. I'm like so shocked by how easy this was. How bomb it looked. Like, this looks bomb to me. If anybody else got something else to say about it, you're hating. Period. Because this hairstyle was actually cute. Like, I promise you, if you went to the beach or anywhere with this hairstyle, you'll be getting dumb compliments. Even to the store, dumb compliments. Because this is different. It's bomb. It's extra, but it's cute. Still classy and cute. Girl, I feel like a goddess right now. I feel like I could take somebody's man. This hairstyle is so cute. Like this video right now. Every like I get, that's showing me that y'all clapping. Did a good job. Did that. Did that. So y'all, let me know if you like this hairstyle in the comments. Oh, let me explain to y'all how I got the braid on. So what I did was I braided the braid, and you know how I told you to pull that piece. So when I did that, I bobby pinned it all the way around. You gotta bobby pin it all the way around. So girl, you're gonna need to buy you a pack of bobby pins before you do this hairstyle. Period. So it can be secure. You don't need it flying off in the wind or none of that. It was a success. I'm so happy. Make sure y'all go like my last tutorial because it was actually cute. Even if it's not your style, still watch it to support your cousin, Sarah. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so you can know when I post another tutorial coming tomorrow. And I'm going to be doing a lot of braiding tutorials this week. Yesterday was twist, today it was a braid, and I'm going to do another braiding thing tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. Y'all about to be looking good this summer. Stay tuned for the giveaway. See y'all in the next video tomorrow. Period. The popping way. Thank you. Next.
Promise you I'll change your mind. Just let me freak you. Keep this between me and you. Let me freak your mind. Promise you I'll change your mind. Just let me freak you. Keep this between me and you. Let me freak your mind. Promise you I'll change your mind. Just let me freak you. Keep this between me and you. Let me freak your mind. Promise you I'll change your mind. Just let me freak you. Keep this between me and you. your mind.